What's up mga kabukid? Subukan natin kantahan yung Born for You by David Pangaras. Tell me what this sweet sensation is never gonna happen. You are such an explanation. Working on thinking that I was born for you. It was really start. Yes, I was born for you, and the doors fell around me. It as if the power of the universe conspired to make you mine. Till the day I die, at least the day that I was born for you. I was born that you were born for me, and it's where you were. This was really meant to be. What we have the world never understand, forever take away until the day I die. This the day that I was What we have the world can never understand, forever take away till the day I die. At least the day that I was born. I was born.